I'm going to attempt to start this vehicle. As you can tell, hasn't been started. In a 30 below. Okay, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Cold start. 30 below. Vehicle has been sitting for a few days. Let's do this. Not even pumping the gas or anything. Okay, I think I should pump the gas. Okay, come on. Come on, baby. For me. Please. Oh, please. Damn it. What the hell? It's supposed to start. This truck has never let me down. Ever. Come on. Cold start for Papa. Me love you long time. Oh my God. You guys, you won't believe how cold it is out right now. Jeez. Come on, baby. I mean, these Chevy or GMCs, wow, you guys, these are the best trucks in the whole entire world. What the hell? Never had this problem with this truck before, but it's 30 below, so. Oh my God. That doesn't sound too good. That just doesn't sound good. I think I should let it warm up for like 2 hours. Oh my goodness.